Oppo has confirmed that it will expand its Find X8 series of flagships on April 10th. The newcomers include the cream of the crop model, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, and the new Find X8s models, including the new mini flagship. Both of these have been spotted in the Geekbench database, confirming that they use the chipsets we expected. Let's start with the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. That one is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, just like the X8 Pro. This particular unit had 16 GB of RAM, though Oppo will sell other versions too. 12 GB per 256 GB, 16 GB per 512 GB, and 16 GB per 1 TB. The top variant, 16 GB per 1 TB, will have satellite communication, which is also available on the top-spec X8 Pro variant. This uses a Chinese constellation and isn't supported abroad, though whether the Oppo X8 Ultra will be available outside of China is still to be determined. The Oppo Find X8s and X8s Plus are coming with 6.3-inch and 6.6 displays. While not as small as some would have wished, 6.3-inch flagships are pretty rare. The two will have model numbers PKT110 and PLB110, but, unfortunately, we don't know which is which. Both models will be powered by the Dimensity 9400 Plus, though, so maybe it doesn't matter. The PLB110 phone was the one tested by Geekbench. Oppo will sell the Find X8s in 4 configurations ranging from 12 GB per 256 GB to 16 GB per 1 TB. The others are the same as the X8 Ultra. The small X8s will have a 5th configuration too, 16 GB per 256 GB. The Plus model of the Dimensity 9400 will be announced in April, on the same day as Oppo unveils the Find X8s Duo, in fact. So, we don't have official details on the chipset yet, but it will be an overclocked variant of the Dimensity 9400. The Cortex X925 Prime core will be boosted to 3.73 GHz, up from 3.63 GHz. The other two clusters, 3x4 at 3.3 GHz and 4A720 at 2.4 GHz, will remain at the same clocks as before. There's no word on whether the Immortalis G925 MC12 GPU will get a boost or not. Oppo has already revealed the Find X8 Ultra camera setup, which includes a 1-inch main and 2 telephoto lenses, and that the phone will be equipped with a massive 6,100 mAh battery with 100W wired and 80W wireless charging. The Find X8s Mini will have slim bezels. You can get a glimpse of its design in this promo video. Note that besides the Find X8 flagships, Oppo's April 10th event will also feature the Pad 4 Pro tablet, the Watch X2 Mini, and the Enco Free 4 TWS buds.